In this tutorial, you will learn how to render and do shading in a fashion illustration using Adobe Photoshop software. In Photoshop software, I will open an existing illustration which needs to be rendered. I am not able to apply any tools on this illustration. The image mode must be changed to RGB color mode. So I will go to the image menu, open mode and choose RGB mode. The dodge tool is an effective tool at lightening selected areas of an image. It will not affect the hue or saturation. This tool focuses on increasing the brightness. I will apply this tool on the folds of the skirt like this. To adjust the size of the brush, use the bracket keys in the keyboard. Use the options bar to customize tool settings like the brush size, range and exposure to get the effect you want. I will now use the smudge tool to mix or blend the content in an area of the image. I am selecting the strength of the smudging effect with the strength slider. The result is similar to finger painting. The burn tool works as though you literally burned the color, eventually darkening it all the way to black if applied for long enough. I will apply this brush between the folds of the skirt. Adjust the options like range and exposure of the burn tool before applying it on your art. Burn and dodge allow you to add shadows and create highlights to add rich color to even amateur illustrations. I'm going to add an image as background in another layer and keep the opacity reduced in this background layer. You can now see the final result.